Instead of writing scrapers or maintaining fragile selectors, Minexa.ai automatically reads page structure and builds reusable extractors to scrape public records easily. Open your target page on servicecanada.gc.ca. Minexa handles rendering and structure detection. Launch Minexa.ai. This panel handles everything needed to turn a page into structured data. Hit the button so Minexa.ai understands how the page is structured and how additional results are revealed as you navigate. Full dataset coverage is set. Minexa.ai identified how the site pages through results and will follow it every time. Decide whether the items on the results page are enough, or whether Minexa.ai should also click into each row and scrape its individual page. Click Continue for standard pages, or switch to advanced mode when the site requires user input or navigation before showing the full results. The section Minexa.ai highlighted is the main block holding your data. Confirming it ensures the same columns are extracted consistently across every future run. Every field is ready. Each one was found during training and stays consistent across all similar pages. You can select data points like form names, descriptions, or dates relevant to scraping public records. Click API Request to get Python code you can drop straight into a scheduled job or automated workflow to scrape this data regularly. Bad data stays out. Click Complete Configuration, and Minexa.ai will flag any page that does not match your setup. Multi-page coverage is confirmed. The scraper follows every page of results on each run automatically. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets and every run will push fresh data there automatically. Click Run and Minexa.ai starts extracting immediately, applying the trained scraper across all pages with deterministic rules and no reanalysis at runtime. What you see here spans multiple pages, but every row looks the same. Column names never change because they were set once during training and reused across every page. You can drop this straight into a database, pipeline, or spreadsheet. Key fields include form titles, descriptions, and reference codes vital for public records. Download the results. Each row represents one item from the page, with fields arranged into consistent columns. The same scraper works from a single page to millions. No logic changes, no rebuilding, just consistent data at any scale.